Greetings everyone, good morning. This is Ross A. Davis. This is storm winter of February of 2014. This is going to be proof that there's no way I could have gone out today from my parking garage. So it's still snowing as we speak. Not bad, but it's not as bad as it was earlier. You can see we would have got stuck out here today. The snow drift is pretty deep. Pretty deep today. So that's my shadow, by the way. Because this is entranceway, two entranceway to a parking garage. So yeah, it's pretty deep here. Here's a snow drift. It's approximately about, I'll say about 2 feet right there. So I could have got stuck here for sure. And from the other way, so this is a parking garage that my wife parks in. You know, only one car family we are. Here's the other way, the other entrance. This goes out on 17th Street. The other way goes out on 16th Street, by the way. Here's another snow drift right here. That's approximately about a foot and a half right here. You can see it's blowing like crazy. Yeah, approximately about, I'll say about 10 inches in the dirt parking lot. And a snow pack right here. So there's no way I could have gone out today. So yeah, I'm freezing my butt off right now as I speak. So I'm going back in. So I'm going back in right now. I'll probably in about a few minutes I'll probably end up uploading this on my Facebook. So and maybe my YouTube channel as well. Here's a drift right here. That's probably about a foot and a half right there, almost 2 feet. The other end, approximately about 3 between those two churches. You see as you see right there. So I drove by that trash bin. So there's no way I could have gone out today. So I'm kind of stuck at home again, like I was 2 Sundays ago during that mild blizzard we had. And here's the parking garage we park in. Closing my garage. That's garage doors shutting. And here's my wife's car. Hide his license plate, so privacy purpose. My wife's car. Okay, cheers and metal, everybody, and see you later.